Mom and Dad, I'm doing fine. You guys are on my mind. You asked me what I wanted to be, and now I think the answer is plain to see. I wanna be famous. I wanna live close to the sun. Oh, pack your bags, cause I've already won. Everything to prove, nothing in my way. I'll get there one day. Cause I wanna be famous.
Okay, so here's the deal. Corey is gone. You're probably picking me team leader. It's gonna be either me or Bulls. Who else Bulls? I do. Yeah, I do too. Yeah, me too. Yeah, me too. Yeah, you're right. Who votes me? Grub. I do. Yes, me. And me. I guess you. Yeah, you. Yeah, so I guess I'm team leader. Hey, it's me, Barrett. Meet me at the campfire to learn about your challenge. That was weird. Where is he? I don't know. Hey guys, so, your first challenge. I will tell you in a second. 270 to get the shipment. Where'd he go? Okay, so, these are fire gumballs. If you eat it, your mouth will burn. You have to keep chewing it. Last one chewing it wins the challenge for the team. Loser sends one home. You may now eat your gumball. Oh my god, it burns. I'm gonna leave first. Ah. Ow. 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 Oh no. Oh god, no. And the Ramblers win. Okay, if you don't get a master ball, you're out. This one goes to Piplup, Torchic, Tepe, Oshawott, Gupton, Slugma, Feebas, Farfetch, Eevee, Turtle. The final two. Last one goes to Luffy, Hippopotas. Sorry. Whatever, I hope you die. But and the rest of you, I hope you die too. Bye.